Welcome to the third part. So I will show you a new thing that I didn't tell you before, some shortcuts. So if you select your whole body here, just like this, and then you can click the X key on the keyboard, and you will see that this happens. So if you type one time, it's going to rotate 45 degrees in the X direction, around the X axis. So I would just want to turn it around like this. You can also try Y. You'll see that they will turn down like this. I didn't use it before in the tutorials, but maybe I will begin now. And the same thing with Z. So it's very useful sometimes. If you want to do the opposite direction, you can do I think Shift Z, and yeah. So if I click X now, and then I click Shift X, Shift X, it's the opposite direction. So anyway, now you know that, and then let's start to make some glasses. So I'll go up here to Sketch Circle, and then let's just draw here, and draw a small circle like this, and then another one over it, like that. And then exit Sketch and go to Polyline, select your circle again, and just draw a straight line like that. So I draw that line just because I want to trim. So if you go to Trim, select your whole sketch, then you see if I select these, I can remove them. So just like that, because we're just gonna mirror the other part of the sketch. I can then select this face and go to Extrude and drag this one up. So just make it longer than you need, because we're just going to put it inside our head of this guy here. And next we need to make a small extrusion. So how we're going to do that is to go on, let's see which face. Let's just draw a sketch here. So go up to rectangle, sketch rectangle, just click on the grid and draw small, like that. And then we're going to use that to make an extrusion. So first of all, I want to select it, and you cannot rotate sketches with these shortcuts I just showed you. It doesn't work like that. I will just go to rotate, to transform, and then rotate 90 degrees there. Then go to the top view, and then I just want to place it here. So I can go to this view, select it again and move it here. And then I can play around. I just want to make an extrusion like that. So go back here and choose, let's see, revolve. Select your sketch here, and then axis. Let's see if we can just click on this point. That doesn't work. We need to create an axis. So we go to Polyline. Sorry, go to Polyline, click on the grid and just draw a straight line, and then select it, rotate it 90 degrees, select it again, so it's here. And then just move it in the middle there. Okay, so you can see now I got the line inside here. So this should work now. I will go up here to revolve, select this sketch, go to axis, select this line, and then you can see I can choose, or just type in here 360 degrees. You can see it's red, so it means that this part here is on subtract, and that is completely fine. So we click enter, and then we see we got an extrusion. Let's then just go ahead and hide the sketches here to make it nicer. And we also want to change the color here, material, then gray, like that. Go up to fillet, so let's just put a fillet on this one, so depending on the style you want. And then I will just put the chamfer here. Okay, I will select this one, go to pattern and mirror, and then mirror plane. I think we can just click here. Yeah. So you can see we got two parts now. And these should be merged together already. So it's just one object. So let's just go here, select it, and maybe we can snap it. So it's good to use the snap. Go to snap, select this face, just click here. So it went the wrong way, so never mind. Select it and just move it to the middle, which is probably there, and move it out. So these are in place, but I think we will continue in the next video and do some adjustments. So just follow me there.